What's up, my fellow yarn bombers? It is I, the Crafty Crocheter, and so I have the new Spring 2026 edition of Crochet World, and I am going to go through this right now. So the magazine is going to talk about spring florals and stash-busting delights. Then they have 8 stylish tops to refresh your wardrobe and delicate lace doilies. And the front cover of this, look, it's like a beautiful Lapghan that I saw. I kind of cruised through this or do this magazine prior to this video, so I kind of know what to expect with this. But let's go ahead and I'm gonna open this up and we'll go through this together. So here we go. This is the editor's notes, I believe, right here, and then the next is the table of contents, and it outlays all the projects for the spring blankets. So it's like a puff blanket, and it's like granny square blankets, and next page, and this is for a ring toss game. You're creating basically you're single crocheting around stable solid rings, and then you're creating the podium like so, and then and the patterns right here looks pretty straightforward, that you're just creating the base, and then you're creating rings with I think it's like hoops or around it. Next page is the pocket market bag. So basically, this is like a reusable grocery bag. And if you don't want to use those plastic, like if you're alternative to plastic bags, or if you don't want to purchase those reusable bags at the store, this is to be another alternative if you are more of a crafty individual. The skill level for this project, as they say, is a confident beginner. Then the next project is with Love Set, which is basically looks like a cup warmer, cup cozy set, and coasters. Then there's the pattern there, and then don't worry about that advertisement. And then this is about top-down raglan construction. This is more of an article what it's about. It doesn't really have a pattern to it. And here's one for a Tunisian Raglan t-shirt. It looks like it's got sleeves, and so this is used with Tunisian crochet, and the pattern is pretty straightforward. And then they have an editor's faves section. Again, I'm not going to go in all too much detail on this because Creative Studio, we don't need to see that. And then there's the Floral Squares. There's like a couple, I think 3 different types of granny squares. This one looks like there's a violet, like an African violet, and then this is basically like a rose motif. And this one is just like another rose motif. And then going into for doilies, this is a heart doily pattern. This one is Across My Heart Centerpiece. This is basically made from lace or size 0 lace yarn or thread cotton yarn. And there is a pattern to do solid squares or do like an outline of hearts. And then they give you the pattern for that. And this is a Bacca Doily Set. Then they give you the pattern for that. Then this one is a Petunia Doily. Again, it's another doily with a lace or size 0 yarn. And then this one is the Happy Patch Baby Blanket. Now this looks like a fun project to do. So this is it's an intermediate skill level, so you may want to know more about crocheting before tackling this. But if you feel all brave and you want to do it, by all means, go ahead. But again, this pattern's in the newest edition of the magazine, which is on newsstands now. It was like $10 US and $12.99 Canadian. Now this is the Lapghan that's on the front cover. Now this is for the Daisy Bouquet Lapghan. So it's kind of like you see those videos online with the roses. It's kind of like the same thing. kind of like wrap it around so it looks like a bouquet of flowers. And this is what it looks like once it's rolled up. So you roll it up into a cone, and it's supposed to resemble a bouquet of flowers. I kind of like all the colors that they have here for this project. And then I'm going to show one final one. They have the striped puff stitch Afghan. So it looks like they're using chenille yarn for this, because if you look closer into the picture, it looks like it's kind of like that same chenille type of yarn with the fuzzies on there and the halos on there. Then I'll show one more. This is the Tunisian Surprise Afghan, and this is what it looks like. I'm not going to go through all this magazine, so I'm not going to spoil all the surprises for you. So go pick up yourself a new edition of the Crochet World Spring 2026. It's on store shelves now. Again, $9.99 US and $12.99 in Canada. So that is the magazine. So hopefully you find a project that you want to work on, and if you finish a project, feel free to share it in my community page. And if I decide to work on a project, I will do the same thing. All right. So I hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. Gotta spread love and not hate. Love each other, help each other out, be there for one another. Stay true to yourself, be kind to others, and stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important. And on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.